Hi, I'm Deb at Skein Sisters. I have got my scalpel. It's a long time since we've done one of these, and these boxes are pretty exciting. Okay, let's have a look. These ones are coming all the way from Ireland.
There's a clue.
One clue. And it's life in the long grass.
Not just any life in the long grass.
No, it is the Merino Linen Singles. We figured that it's starting to heat up. We need to get this beautiful linen base in again. It is so nice. Just carefully open that one up. Carefully. This one's called Dreamer. I think it might be dreaming its way to Janine.
Thank you.
And so it's 366 meters. It's a single ply fingering weight, so 4-ply weight. It's got 90% superwash merino and 10% linen. And you can see the linen. Can you see the linen kind of little bits here sticking off? It has got the most amazing drape. I've got a beautiful jumper in it that I love wearing, so some might be going home with me as well. So let's have a look at some colours, shall we?
They're so pretty.
Pressed flowers.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Reflect. So there are some here that we haven't had colours before. I tried to get some newbies in. Barefoot. That's always totally amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Green oak moss.
So the colours always look so amazing, but the linen kind of gives them a little bit of an almost washback look.
It does.
You know, it's just got that little.
Ooh. Truffle. That's beautiful.
It is beautiful.
Well, this is one of my favourites. This is one that I used in my jumper, Andesol. Absolutely love it.
Yeah, it's hard to tell with the plastic.
Yeah, with the
it's got
plastic.
a bit of sort of green grey colour in it.
Let me open it. It's more fun to see in real life, right?
There we go.
So look, yeah, it's greeny, it's navy, it's slatey.
You can really see the linen on
You
that
can,
one.
can't you?
It's so pretty.
Even though it's only 10%, you can still really see it.
Yeah.
Okay, this little box, Life in the Long Grass, does very, very beautiful magazines. And so we just got a few. There's a new issue, this one, Into the Hills, Cabin Living. So we'll have to have a nice,
Oh,
just like,
beautifully
I know,
produced.
beautifully produced.
Gorgeous patterns.
Totally gorgeous. And of course you don't have to use Life in the Long Grass for any of them. Look at that one.
Yeah,
So that's a DK and a fingering weight held together.
beautiful.
Maybe
Wow.
something for next winter.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
But
Anyway.
and there's not just one, but there's two boxes.
So we'll leave something for you to go and check out on the website. It's all up there now for you to buy.